We went to the bridge blast. I'm gonna do this in one take. I apologize in advance. I have bronchitis, and so I'm gonna need to just pop this cough drop in my mouth and push through this evolution as best I can. So, the Bridge Blast is the largest bridge fireworks show on the west coast of the United States. It's off the Warren Avenue Bridge located in Bremerton, Washington. The weather started beautifully but turned into liquid sunshine fast. Despite the drizzle, the crowd was still of respectable size. When we weren't on the boat, we walked the boardwalk and foraged for food. There were all types of vendors, but what caught my attention was the food. Throughout the day, we ate elephant ears, chocolate-covered churros, pork brisket, lamb heroes, and dark elf delight, a chocolate-flavored homemade ice cream from Viking Ice Cream. Shout out to She's Hannah. Check out her channel in the description for fashion, style, and videos. After sprinkling all afternoon, the rain finally stopped, and we lined up an hour ahead of the main event. Unfortunately for the boaters, there was a 9-knot current, sending boats sideways as they slowly piloted themselves into position. There was a respectably large yacht that hit this mid-sized boat, even when everyone around yelled and honked their horns. Fortunately, no one got injured. Finally, the reason you are here. Warning, I don't have a big production equipment, and I don't have someone who can edit my videos. I'm not responsible for the comments from the crowd around the camera. Finally, the Bridge Blast, unedited in its entirety.
There you go.
Here we go. Oh yeah. One of the largest fireworks shows on the West Coast.
Yeah, I think it is the biggest.
Is it the biggest?
The Bridge Blast,
yeah. It's the biggest one on the West
Off
Coast.
a bridge.
Bigger than Castro's?
Yeah. That's how Bremerton put itself on the map. Biggest fireworks show on the West Coast. I want to see that bite, the motor go. Bite in the sky.
Oh, look, Rosie, look. Hey, Kevin, I'm just waiting for
Right. The voice from God starts telling you where the insurgents are.
That's good, yay!
That's all the donations.
Yeah. That's all we could afford right now.
That's all we can afford right now.
Look at that smoke.
I know. I left them on the boat.
You want to run back?
No. I left my cigars on the boat. All right, let's go home.
I know. Right? Is it?
Fuse got wet.
They're like, we almost get the boat. There's like, we almost get hit here twice. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, fuck, we could have just bought some pearls and later.
You know it was.
Where's our taxes? Show our taxes.
I'm going back to the boat.
Is It's Biden's economy, folks.
Yay! Alright, guys.
Biden's economy.
Someone is like,
Bridge blast.
I don't think I'm gonna edit this. I'm just gonna put everything on there.
right?
Monetize again. I guess I'm making a third
Demonetize.
channel.
Popcorn sauce.
I put $250 in my tank.
It's like the ones they just throw in for free because you got stuck.
The Bridge Blast, the largest bridge fireworks show on the west coast of the United States. Was it everything you imagined? If you've made it this far, please comment, like, and subscribe. It'll go a long way into helping our channel. Thank you very much. Take care.
Do it upside down.
Dirty uncle's head. I'm pretty sure over there you can. I've actually been close enough to fireworks, so mortar shells were falling on you.
Well, there's like 4
Watch it get
drones.
shot
Yeah,
down.
there's
Like
a lot.
five-
Yeah, there's a
five
ton of drones out there. Woo!
That was delayed. Alright.
Oh, it's like for boats for direction.
No.
Oh, for the drones? Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Yeah, they got port and starboard
Yeah,
lights.
port and starboard lights on them. Yeah, so you know which way it's facing. If your camera goes down and stuff, you can use it to maneuver it back to you.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, don't you have like fly home mode?
Yeah. Yeah, just push one button, return home.
And it's like time or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta Google places where you can use it, right?
Yeah. Remember, because we tried to fly it in Oregon, but we were so close to an airport, it
That's
just automatically landed. Yeah, because they're so close to an airport.
On the other side of the
Yeah, they'll take over the drone and just land it.
I think they blocked the signal.
Yeah.
And then
yeah.
when the drone can't find the signal anymore, it automatically
Then it
returns.
says on the screen restricted area.
Yeah. Because that's what they do around
Yeah.
the bases around here.
Yeah.
We knock them down keyboard all the time. close the bridge.
They're gonna blow the bridge up. The bridge was an inside job. Oh, that's cool.
I wonder if like there's a pot in the middle where it's
Oh, it didn't continue though, huh?
There's no more.
probably the rain. Rain fucked it up.
I did more.
$5 grand worth of nuts.
Here you go. That's a business model. Waterproof fucker.
Alright.
This is my
How about burning bridges?
Oh!
There it is, the Bridge Blast, the largest fireworks show on the west coast of the United States. Was it everything you dreamed of? Comment on the comments section. And if you made it this far, please comment, like, and subscribe. It will help the channel immensely. Thank you all. Take care.